My name's Preston Paxman. I used to be the CEO for Canyonlands by night and day. Now I've turned it over to my son. We've been in business since 1963. It is a family-run business. What we do is we board a boat at night, or dusk anyway. We show you some sights upriver to kind of get your imagination running wild as we go upriver. Then when we get upriver, we turn on 40,000 watts of light and light the canyons, and then the boat just drifts down the river. The lights move along the canyon walls. We do the history of Moab.
By the guiding hand of the Creator, light and darkness were separated. The land and sea were set apart. And in the mighty upheavals, the treasures of earth are made available.
There's a couple of times that we turn the lights out and just light the heavens and let you look at the stars. And most people have never seen the Milky Way or the Big Dipper or Little Dipper.
This was a must-do, and it was a perfect evening. They did a great job.
It's one of the most beautiful events you can do in Moab.
Yeah.
I think it's magnificent.
Amazing.
Beautiful program and a wonderful meal.
The stars were beautiful. It's a great ride. Everyone should come.
We actually do a Dutch oven dinner along with a boat ride. All the meats cooked for over 22 hours. Shredded pork, shredded beef. They are family recipes. It's one of the best meals that you'll ever get in Moab.
I work at Canyonlands by night and day. The thing I like about this place is the family environment that we have here. We always have a great time with everybody.
John Wayne, when he come here, he said this is where God put the West. And that's why we have so many John Wayne movies that have been filmed in Moab. Not only just John Wayne, but a lot of other movies. It's an interesting place to live and beautiful place to visit. And most people that come here love it.